Hey y'all, welcome to the YouTube channel. We did some ice blasting in a server room at a manufacturing facility. They had an issue because birds got into the server room and kind of made a mess all over the upper mezzanine where all their electrical equipment is. So they've got these big electrical panels, so we weren't able to use any water or anything, so we decided to do dry ice blasting. It did a good job of removing all the bird poop from the metal and also did a good job of getting down in between all the gratings of the mezzanine and really cleaning all that out. The dry ice pellets turn into a gas on contact, so once it hits the metal it basically turns into nothing, so anything underneath the mezzanine didn't get affected by us doing the blasting. After we finished blasting, all we had to do was vacuum the room real good and it was good to go. We never had to shut down anything, which was a huge perk for the manufacturing side of it. Because of all the electrical components in the room, we weren't able to use any water, but dry ice blasting did a pretty good job of removing all the bird poop from the upper mezzanine. Thank you for watching the video. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button for me and we'll see you later.